from the usual 18, this time a 9-card donkey race pulled the domestic animals from across the parish of Westmoreland through sponsorship from the hotels and small businesses in the parish. From being trucked to the location for an all-inclusive free overnight treat on the beach, the donkeys took over the show with a mix of amusement and a lot of disappointment, as it were, as the animals known to be anything but fast changed the scripts along the races, forcing at least one jockey to foot the race himself.
Jump on the back, but he just have, be a right, so I just walk with him on the track, because I don't want him much, because my fish at the bamboo and things, so I don't want him much. So walk with him and come around. But the thing is, really used to the track, as I said, because I'm first year.
First year?
So I just